In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an IRS online account. First, visit the official IRS website and select Sign in to your online account. Then, click Create an account if you are the first timer. You will be asked to enter personal information such as your full legal name, social security number, date of birth, filing status, and a valid email address. Next, you'll go through identity verification, which may include answering security questions based on your credit history or uploading a government-issued photo ID. Make sure you're using a supported browser and a secure internet connection during this process. After your identity is verified, create a strong password and set up multiple factor authentication to protect your account. Once completed, you can log in anytime to access your IRS account, track refunds, view balances, and manage tax related tasks securely.